Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here in your profile. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, so you keep going down. Then you come here to local remote computer here, just click on it, and here it's going to show for you like this list here. Here can you select your local remote computer if you want to add automatic or always, or can you disable it here. So when you're down, you just click here on OK, then it's going to add with you on your TeamViewer app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.